okyali awo okola otya ng'omwana walemedde ku family nga tojagala nga they really want to get married to that from that family that you don't approve of esebo
nze nga ndi muzadde
nga gwe muzadde
bwasazeewo nga yawulira eyo family gyayagala muleka n'agenda kiri bwe mba kali family bwe mba sijagala kize bali kuba omwana ye abeera asazeewo tosobola kumuza mabega kyogemazi kasaba nga asazeewo muleka n'agenda bwe babaawo bakale family bazaali zirina obukubagano muleka n'agenda kuba bwabeera asazeewo kiri n'enkize bali
olwaleero nze nina mwannyinaze nkakasa yafumbirako nga famire nze sijagala sagisiima nfunaye era nekakati kusaba sikyakola kisijagala naye mwannyinaze nsigala mwagala naye famire nga yo sikola ki
wakolawo ekinga otegedde nti
kuba nti simba sirina kyakola ne bwe mugamba nti vaayo era bwe nabanga amugyeyo okumufunira omusajja omulala tagenda kukola ki kusobola kubeera nga amutwala agenda kusigala anja kutuula ewaka ate nga tekireeta makulu so omuleka oluusi n'agenda ebbanga bamala nga bakyakwatagana nga bali bulungi naye nga tuzzeeko kemabega madamu sokoso nnyemiko
simba wakati tokefune opinion y'abalala naye ninkuddira okolawo kyawo.
I believe marriage is about love, and if these two people accept to be married, they love each other, and you're trying to force them that no, you can't get married to the other family because we don't like this family, that marriage won't work out. So it's better if someone has decided as a family just agree, and you never know, that one might even bring friendship between those two marriages.
You know that the family has night dancers. What do you do?
Love are so hard to treat.
Yes,
love
is between the two people, as he has said. Yes. When the night dancers are there, it is now for you. You just give an advice for the two parties who are getting married. Then afterwards, they have to agree. While knowing that in that family there are night dancers, for them they have to work against that, so they don't adopt that system into their
So you pray.
family. So you pray for them and then counsel them. So the family is going to live independently, not depending on the parents. So they have to create their own culture.
Banange mpewe dakika bibiri ate gwokolawo kyawo nga muwala wa ataamye obamanyi family yabwe babbi naye muwala agamba I love that guy. What do you do?
Meanwhile, I can agree with this gentleman. Where olabira ddala nti matters have failed, omwana aganye, she has even rebelled or he has rebelled, you just have to cancel that child counseling and the advantages, the disadvantages eziri mu kintu ekyo, but otherwise matters of the heart wesanga nga akoze kyakola ki kyotandi kusuubidde. Some people can even kill themselves because of that. Yes.
Romeo and Juliet.
Yes.
Muntiisiza esebo.
Nina belief nti tata bw'aba w'omu family eri tekiri automatic oba obite buli genetic. Era nze nsuubira nti omwana omuwala wange senga aba asize okufumbirwa mu eri family. Nze nina essuubi nti mutabani w'omwami oyo omubbi asobola okubreakinga that chain era ataba mubbi. Right. The next generation can be clean. That is right.
Wow. Mama, it's two ways.
And both these ways is stupid. Date we see as well so you have to say two things.
No,
you can't judge it. That's what choose our generation. So
but it is still the same. No, someone can be coming from a very good family and he go and he becomes a sick. So you can never tell. It is God's luck.
Afterwards. Yeah. Actually, it is God.
It is God's luck.
Because me, I've ever seen someone whereby the husband was a thief and then they got married, but the kids they gave birth to, they took the same behaviors.
They are all thieves.
Yes, the thing kept on passing from generation to generation.
It was genetic.
So I don't think that thing can change. Yeah, some issues are genetic.
yafumbirwa mu family gyatayagala mwali mukirabyeko oba abazadde ne bagamba please don't go to that family omwana n'agamba wange ebizibu ne bijja
abanyankole bineravu yagize ati nyonazo tokubasa kumwihayo so mwe nosara muyitiriza nango kwakuza
abanyankole bineravu kambareke babange mugende mukole abanyankole bineravu aza abakiga y'omugendo.
Thank you.
On Facebook, BMI says there shouldn't be anything like disapproved families. People should have goodwill as marriage is a gift from God.
Some things you can't close your eyes. You'll be seeing them.
Zenintusa Mike says you fight hard to terminate such marriages because some families are naturally cast into poverty, prostitution and theft.
And theft?
Why?
Why?
Natukunda Barbara says usually when lovers decide, it's hard to stand in the middle to tell them your reasons, but let them decide and don't be the reason for your child's sadness. Mujenyu Kakuru Agamba, I would let my kid be. Parents forget that it's their children in the marriage, not them.
Mama just take a look and see what I would do if my son dared get married to a family which I don't like. Mama, it can't happen. I don't see it happening. Just take a look. Children are disappointment. Philip.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you come?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't stand next to me. Stand down here. I don't think that being tall like that means that you are. I don't stop being your mother because you are taller than me.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this thing I'm hearing? That you love Chiwanuka's daughter, Maria. That you want to marry her.
Yes, ma'am. I love her so much.
But why are you selfish, my son? Why are you very self-centered? You know, marriages here in Africa, they are a communal thing. You have got to get married to someone who benefits your whole clan, not yourself. Don't be very selfish. Don't be selfish. What have you wrecked from that woman? Now, if you marry Chiwanuka's daughter, how do we benefit? You give me one reason. How do we benefit? Haven't you seen any of all our neighbors, really? Let's take a very simple wild guess, for example. You have never seen an uncle, what is his name? You've not seen any of Semanda's daughter.
But I don't love that one.
I don't have that one. That is the selfishness I'm talking about. It's not about you. It's about you, your mother, your father, or your parents, all of your culture, all the people in your village. You have to benefit them. Have you noticed that Semanda has Frisian daughters? Eh? They have behinds. They are very... Have you ever seen someone who is very endowed? They have very big sitting apparatuses. I want you to marry that daughter. So that when you are walking on the streets, they say, yes, please. That is Anna Kansime's daughter-in-law. Eh? And they will be very proud you give birth to children who are Frisians. And then that is a lot of bride price when they are coming to take them. And Semanda himself, you know, he owns a butcher. I don't want them to hear. He owns a butcher. Do you know how much meat that is? Do you know how much Kansima would be eating meat from my in-laws every day? Those are benefits that benefit to me, you, and everyone that's around you. Don't be selfish, my son. And the first-born boy of Mr. Semanda is a conductor.
Now what's good there?
I will never pay for a taxi. I'm telling you, I'll never pay for a taxi. The moment I step on stage like this on the side of the road, I get VIP treatment from left, right, center. Everyone saying, oh, Inuro, come enter the taxi. And I sit in front. Hence getting to town before everyone else. Do you know how that feels? And listen to your parents. If you listen to your parents, you will live wrong. Don't marry Maria, I'm telling you. Bagambanti, for the old people, we know what we are talking about, so you pay attention.